Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for this video guys, kay lahi gyud siyang intro guys, kay nagdinanghag man si Akech. So, na-delete na ko ang intro, so mag-intro ko karon for this video. So, sa kini na vlog guys, moadto mig Ikea, mamalit mig mga stuff for kitchen like kitchen utensils, kitchenwares, kitchen organizers, everything about kitchen guys. So I hope you're feeling well and keep safe sa COVID-19. Dili ani maglaag, so stay at home and let's go to the vlog. I hope you enjoy watching it. Bye. So guys, nag-drive-thru ba dyan kami? Nag-drive kami chips, Macas, McDo, and I got my frozen pineapple and babe got a quarter pounder with and Coke.
Sorry, pickles. Where's my chips?
Multitasking. Done. Multitasking si babe. Diyan na kami sa entrance ng Ikea. Whole pocket. Ready your pocket. Buslot bulsa. Buslot na si Pocket. Duhaing ani para organizer sa amo pantry, mga chips, mga chichirya, tas kani para sa mga seasonings. And si babe nag pili pa. Tapos maani ang among kuan trolley. So we get this drainer for fruits like that. Ibutang na siya sa sink. Yung ana siya para dili na gay mag kwan pa ng mga bowls. So yung ani na lang siya. So we have this mat also
One
Yeah,
two,
sleeper
three,
mat.
or 4.
Two is just enough.
Maybe
And what does then? And then one of this. Kana pod. That's it.
Oh, 2 of these little ones.
Okay. So that it's all good. Done. Oh, kani pod para sa mga condiments. Putang ni siya lain ani. Char. Okay, wa pa ta sa mga plato. Level 1. Please fasten the door. Please fasten the door. Diyan na kami guys sa mga kutsarahan, mga utensils. Nakakuha na kami glass, heater, this one, baking stuff, and yeah, diyan. So guys, update, naglabad ng oyo ni babe. Kay namili kami ng mga pots diri, tapos kaya kami kabarkaon unoy good na brand, tapos nakapamili na kami ng like this na pots. Ang brand is Ikea. I don't know how to pronounce it. Then suddenly namalaya ni babe na dyan mga base of how many stars is the quality of these pots. Kay diri naapod siya stars na masamok, pero wala siya mga kanang mga ngayon ba na mga pots nga pwede lutuan og mga soup, kay poras siya kuan tanang frying pan ra halos tanan. So pa, naglabad iyang utok, nagtalijok. 1 hour to go, mag-close na. Babe, bye-bye. Babay ko na. Kuha na bito ako ng kuwan guys, ng bagong trolley. Kay kuya na. Puno na ang amo trolley. Wala pa mi kakuhag kuwan. Ay na. Musabay man siya. Oy. Tagbagong trolley. Ay, wala pa mi ka get ng mga plates, but our trolley is full already. So, babe! I miss you, babe. Ito among kuhan, guys. Wala namang tsura. Diyan among new trolley. Hi, guys. 10 minutes to 7 na. This is our 5th monthsary bonding. Yeah, this is our monthsary bonding, guys. Shopping for
my
our
God.
kitchen stuff. Look guys, we have 2 trolleys. Hi guys, so at last we're already done and yan na, napalit na gyud sila tanan. Napalit na gyud sila tanan. Ito si babe, nag-una na si babe. What can you say, babe? Babe, what can you say? Sakit. Ouch ko no, ouch. So, yeah, it is because actually I'm actually I thought that it's $1,000.
You can also purchase online anytime or take advantage of our single collect service. We will loan to
I thought that it's $1,000, but it's just 600. Nangali na kami guys. So we're heading to the house na at home. So actually guys, we're 3 hours sa Ikea. Namalit ra ng kitchenwares. Diyos ko. What can you say, babe?
I'm spent.
Patay na si Paket. Buslot na. Yan, na guys. At least, naanam-anam na kagwapa atong kusina. If sa previous vlog, 2 hours na grocery, kuman, murag worst kay 3 hours. Wala na umabantay eh. 4 p.m. ni abot. Tapos, okay. 4 p.m. ni abot, tapos 7 na karon. Kaya 7 man sila mag-close, nag-announce na na. Nag-announce na gani si.
Find me the closest reporter.
The closest one I found is in Porto on Loganley Road in Meadowbrook.
Guys, we're hungry naman. Then, I think this is our dinner date. Charot! Dinner date. Tagkileg sa bangkuan. Pero always man kami mag-eat good sa biskanhain na restaurant. We used to eat in 5-star restaurant, anything restaurant, as long as we like to eat fancy foods, street foods, any kind of foods, even gani sushi. But yeah, I think adulting choo-choo stage na gajud. So we're here in our favorite resto. It's called Oporto Flame Grilled Portuguese Chicken. And actually this chicken grilled is the best, and it's juicy, and yeah, kalami gajud as in. And yeah, that's why this is our favorite chicken grilled. And mag-eat asa kami guys, then bye bye. I love you. I love you more.
I love you infinity.
I love you so much and beyond. This is our Ikea receipt. And ta-dang! 1 meter. Okay ra ka, babe? Okay ra? Mahal ko? Okay ra ka? O man, dili man.
It's worth it though.
Sakit?
It's worth it.
Worth it? Pero sakit?
It's better spending it on something useful
Like,
than
tandoay.
just tenderloin. Oh yeah, tenderloin.
Thank you. Oh, yeah. This is my favorite. We're done na. Nag-dinner. Napayong si camera. Naglobat. Nag-change na marjagani kay nagbit-bit ako ng extra battery, so I just changed it just now. So we're still in front of a portal and we're so really busog and it's not a good idea that we're busog, guys, because si babe mag-drive then sabi ka mo, yung mga baboy, after eating, sleeping. Mauna ang nakalisod sa amo ko, nagbusog kami kay magbiyahe pa kami, mag-drive pa si babe ng mga 1 hour and a half. Almost 2 hours, George. So, yan. Just go. Tired, babe.
Busog. I feel like I'm gonna spew out.
Is there any lookout in here to stay for a while? Kapapoy. Hi guys, so we're already at home. As you can see, guys, among boot. Grabe ka po na. And ready to unpack. Char. So guys, diba we're at home na, and look at these things that we bought in Ikea. The things. These things, one, that one, and there's some there. So guys, I'm gonna close the vlog, and if you like watching this vlog, please like and share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, Jack and Jill, and hope to see you in our next vlog. Then bye, good night guys.